大家好，我们是第5组。我们专题报告的题目是高铁订票系统。Task 1. Personal information login and recording in the database. In this task, users will log in by providing their personal information like name, contact, etc. Once they log in, this information will be stored in the database for future reference. Task 2. Booking system. Selecting departure and arrival stations, calculating fare and recording details. In this task, users can select their starting and destination station for booking a train ticket. The system will calculate the fare based on the stations. After that, it will save the chosen departure station, arrival station, train number, user ID, and fare into database. And task 3, personal order inquiry, retrieving booking details from the database. In this task, users can check their previous bookings. The system will retrieve the informations like departure station, arrival stations, train number, user ID, and fare that was saved in the database during the booking process. This information will be displayed on the website for the user to see. In conclusion, Task 1 deals with logging in and saving user details. Task 2 involves the booking process and recording relevant information in the database. And Task 3 focuses on retrieving and displaying previously booked details for user to view on the website. And this is our ER model. Here we have 3 entities, which is users, tickets, and station. And each entities have its attributes. User has ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, and address. Tickets has ID, train ID, departure station ID, arrival station ID, and price. And for the station's entities, we have ID and name. And here we have 2 relationships that connecting between each entities. The first one we have book relationships that is connecting users and tickets. And the second relationship is station ID, which connecting tickets and stations. And this is our schema diagram. And we have 5 tables. The first one is user tables, and the second one is book tables, tickets, station ID, and station. The first table and the second table, which is users and book, we have ID in users table, linking it to user ID in book, and from the book to the tickets table, we're linking it using user ID to the ID, and from the tickets to the station ID, we're linking it from the departure station ID to the DID, and from the arrival station ID to AID, and from the station ID, we're linking it to the stations using both the ID and AID to ID in stations table. And this is our system architecture. The website that we are using is Web App Service in Microsoft Azure, and also SQL servers that we are using also in the website. And from local, uploading to PHP and CSS, also using from the website, which is Microsoft Azure. And we are establishing a connections using connection string including TCP, initial catalog, user ID, and password. And then we're adding a PHP extension in the /home/site/ini, such as SQLsrv, and PDO SQL SRV. And using SQL SRV within Microsoft drivers for PHP for SQL Server. We are also using SQL SRV Connect to establish connections, and SQL RV Insert and SQL RV Update to perform data insertions and updating operations. And this is our user interface or UI. In the left, we have logging system, which is you can put your first name, last name, email, phone number, and address. And in the middle, you have the booking system, the booking ticket system. You can choose your departure stations and you can choose your arrival stations. And in the right here, you have Tingtan Chashun or order inquiry. You can see your order ticket here. And this is our SQL and RA for tasks. We create table users here, table book, table tickets, table station ID, and stations. First, we have to log in and input your first name and also your last name and your email, phone number, and also your address. And we're going here to the booking system. And first we have to choose our departure station, Taipei, and our arrival station we will choose Tainan. And you can click here 下一步, and you can also click here 你的订单. It will show you your order ticket, your previous order ticket. Here it's how and the price, the departure station, and also the arrival station. And if one account want to book more than one ticket, you can also do that. Here we try to book more than one ticket from Tainan to Taipei. And you can check here. It will show you the 2 tickets you ordered.